morning drawing fan. Today we are going to draw a rainforest and a desert. In case you need to erase something, get an eraser. So first, do you want to make a tree over here or over here? Tell me down in the comments, but today we are going to make one over here. First, make a line over here for the stem of the palm tree. And then start these lines like that. And then make these for the leaves from the palm tree. And then we're gonna make the coconuts. Make these coconuts, but we're not gonna make them hairy like the mustache today. They almost look like egg from the pigs. And then make these lines from the stem. Like that. And then make more plants on the floor. Like that. And some grass. And make a beautiful sunset. We are even going to color this one. And now we're going to make the desert. We have made a rainforest with a palm tree. And now we're going to make the desert with a lot of reptiles. But we're only going to make the desert. We are even going to color it. First, we are going to make a cactus. The cactus is going to be green. And now make dots for the spots. For the spikes. And then make the cactus like that. And then make a plant over here. Like that. And then we are going to make another cactus like this. Remember the spots? And then make it like that. And then we're gonna make more plants like this. And now we're gonna make another sunset over here too. And now we are going to color it. First, we're gonna make the rainforest. So the palm tree is green. make the palm tree green. And then color the stem brown. And then make the sunset with yellow, red, and orange. If you want to get those colors, stop the video. And now we are going to make the sunset over here like that, red. And then use the orange to trace it like that. Trace it under it. And then use the yellow to trace under the orange. And then we're gonna make these things. And then we're gonna color the other plants green. And now we are going to make the sky blue. Like that. And then we are going to color the desert. So first we are going to make the cactuses green. And this cactus green. And then we're going to make the rest of the plants green too. And then make the sunset the same as we did it last time to the rainforest. And then trace the red. Like that. And then we're gonna make these guys like that. And then make the sky blue. And then we're gonna make the rest of the sky red.
And we might make some sand.
The sand is gonna be peach. Almost like the food peach. The sky is red, like a strawberry or a potato.
Potato. Tomato.
And now we are going to need some orange for the sand. Goodbye, drawing friends. This is a rainforest and a desert.